That's what I'm thinking, man. Like, I should just go over it real quick, but then if I do, then I gotta break out the lawnmower.
Man, no.
Or I could do the blower and blow it down in there.
Man, I'll be having to break out my rake and rake it, and then.
Cause that's quick.
Yeah, but it'd be creating a lot of mess.
But the ground is perfect for it, and it's supposed to rain too.
Mm-hmm. That's what I was thinking.
Man, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Man, you done talked me into it. I'm about to do it. I think I'm gonna dethatch. Why not? Folks, I just can't let a day like this go. We gotta see if we can get a quick dethatch in here to wake this up. We can put down our stuff a little bit later. Hopefully it doesn't clog up while it's sitting in there. I need to detach this while I can. When you detach, you always walk away from the cord, if you can, as much as possible. You don't walk to where the cord is, you walk away from it. I mean, I can always just blow it down into the gully. Dethatching, especially in Northeast Ohio, where our weather has been like unusually warm. All we're doing is just removing that layer of dead grass right on the top, roots, debris from the winter time, you know, that stuff that accumulates. You don't want to take away all of the thatch. So I got my settings set, you know, fairly high. But what you're going to see in this video is I just don't have as much thatch as I had in the last 10 years. So I must have done something right last year with my fertilizing and watering. And because I record it all on the calendar, I'm gonna try to follow that same scheme and even get a little bit better this year. See, if I remove that thatch, it's gonna wake up this lawn. And we're in mid-March in Northeast Ohio, like I said. Once that lawn wakes up, you know, the nutrients and the air and everything hits the roots, it's gonna green up fairly quickly. I just want to take advantage of the warm weather in this mid-March time frame because it's like the perfect opportunity. So the mild temperatures create great conditions for the grass to recover from the process. So yeah, you're tearing it up a little bit, but it's going to rain soon. It's going to look beautiful. Now the dethatcher that I'm using is the Greenworks dethatcher. It's affordable. It's efficient for like just regular homeowners. The reliability seems to be great because I think I've had this one at least 4 years. You know, and usually I'm dethatching about 9,000 square feet. You might want to invest in this Greenworks dethatcher. Not only is it a bargain, but if you incorporate a dethatching process in your routine, your lawn is going to be just a shade greener than everybody else's. This has been the Lawn Jenkins. Thanks for tuning in.